Gas prices went up again.
Why, bro? It's free.
You ever pay for anything?
I don't give a fuck. I'm a damn parrot.
You ever feel like life's too expensive?
Man, even crackers got inflation.
Oh my.
Well, rent went up again.
Then move into a tree like me.
Why every American so addicted to coffee?
It's cheaper than therapy.
Damn. How you take yours?
With gossip.
Hey, tell me this. What's your dream job, huh?
Influencer. I already talk all day for free.
Damn it. Oh, yeah? You got any followers?
Only pigeons, but they listen.
What's the American dream to you, huh?
No rent, free snacks, and peace.
You think it's real?
Yeah, we're the landlord.
So what you think about America, huh?
Too many food, not enough truth, damn it.
Alright, which kind of girl you like, bro?
What?